Yeah, stuck in traffic. It's hot out here. It's about maybe 82 degrees. I got my gear on and I'm over here sweating, sitting behind a semi. Duraplate, Wabush National. Okay, Nebraska. Cornhuskers. Alright, y'all, this is my first video on the sport bike. I had a little bit of issue with trying to find out how I'm going to get my microphone, but I hope you can hear me on this.
KDP Rider.
We're on the R1. About to ride out for a little bit. I'm gonna try to get out for a couple hours. It's supposed to rain here in the next couple hours, but I wanted to get out, do a little filming on the R1. Got my blinker on. But it feels good to get back on the sport bike. Been doing a lot of riding on the Harley. I love that Harley. The Harley Street Glide, baby. Yeah. But it's time to switch up the biking experience and get on the R1, baby. It's a 02, oldie but goodie. I don't need a new sport bike. This bike goes just enough, goes fast enough for me. I've had this bike now for about 4 or 5 years. And when I first got it, you know, I upgraded from a Katana 600 to a hold on, my nose is itchy. All right, to a Katana 600, and I went from a Katana 600 to this R1. And at the time, the guy got me for $3,800 for it. And you know, it's my first wheeled bike, and I loved it. I loved it. Yeah, snap, crackle, pop, pop, that ass. But I don't mind riding an 02 R1, an old R1, or an old sport bike. You know, you got guys out here with 98 sport bikes. You know, I seen a guy the other day. Uh-oh. All right, we good. I seen a guy the other day out here. He had a 99 R1. Still look good. Of course, the 99 to the 01. You know, all them bikes is fast. All those bikes is fast. You know, obviously the new modern bikes today. You know, you got the Hayabusas, you got the H2. The H2 right now out here is the king of the street right now. H2 doing about 200 plus miles per hour. You know, you got some Gixxer 1000s, you know, 18s, 17s, they can get out as well. But I don't mind riding an old sport bike. You know, they can keep up. They may not beat you in a race, but best believe when it's R1, I'll be right there behind you. So we're gonna keep it moving. Stay tuned. We are Alright, y'all, we are out here riding. I got a homie with me. She riding. And we're gonna get to a gas station. There we go. Damn, getting jerky with it. But it's a nice day out today. Like I said, some rain is supposed to come, but I'm trying to get out here for a couple hours. She got that Gixxer, boy. Gixxers is nice. Gotta be like maybe a 99 or a 2000. I'm not for sure. That 600 is nice though. I like it. Sound pretty good too. But like I said, ain't nothing wrong with riding old sport bikes, man. Everybody, to me, you know, wants to make sure they got the latest and greatest and have that status of getting a 2018, 2017 sport bike, whether it's a Gixxer or whether it's a Yamaha or a Hayabusa or the H2. You know, H2s is nice. I wouldn't mind a H2, but I can't afford one. Shit. But shoot, one thing with me riding an old sport bike is that I ain't got no payments. No payments at all. And it can still get up. I think I had this R1 up the first year I had it. I had it up to I think I had it up to 172 miles per hour one time. And I got out on it. You know, when I realized I looked down the speedometer, it was going too fast. I said, I gotta slow down. It feels good out here though. It feels good out here though. Later on, that's why I said a couple hours. Anyway, yeah, no payments. No payments at all. So, you know, I'm good having an old sport bike. You know, they can still get up. I mean, I think this bike probably could do at least 177, 180 redlining. You know what I mean? So, hey, that's fast enough for me. You know, I don't need to go 200 miles an hour. But I'm good. But a lot of guys, though, you know, that like riding sport bikes, you know, they have, you know, usually an older bike. You know, I ran into some guys that had some 06s, 06 Gixxer 600s, Gixxer 1000s. I ran into a guy that had a, I think it was a 98 R1 or 99 R1, my fault. I don't know what year. I'm gonna include a picture possibly in this GoPro video, but you know, a lot of guys are still riding old bikes, man. Ain't nothing wrong with having an older sport bike. You know what I mean? If you can't afford the newer, latest and greatest sport bikes, then go ahead and get you you know, a 2000 R1 or 2000 Gixxer 600, 1000, whatever it may be. You know, you can get a good sport bike for like a little jig. I need to get this thing looked at. You can get a good sport bike for like $2 grand. You know what I mean? So anybody that's watching this, that's thinking about getting a bike, you want to start off either on a dirt bike or a sport bike. If you do go with a sport bike, get at least a 500, and you can get you a 500 for like I said, 2,000, maybe even 1,500. So, you know, you don't gotta spend a lot of money to get you a used sport bike that can go fast. You know, like I said, I got mine about 4 or 5 years ago, and I got it for 3,800. You know, I think the Kelly Blue Book for a 02 R1 is going for about, right now, 2018, I think they're going for about 35, 36. You know what I mean? So, you know, one thing about the Yamaha, I got about 35,000 miles on it, and I ain't had any issues. I mean, I've had it in the shop a couple times, but just minor wear and tear stuff. The Yamaha is real reliable, real reliable. Haven't had any major issues with it where I had to spend thousands of dollars on getting it fixed. It's real reliable. And that's one thing when I went to the Harley that I wanted to keep the R1 because, you know, I still like to have fun riding on it. And, you know, I had to keep the sport bike. I'm sitting here talking about riding old sport bikes. I'm sitting here talking about riding old sport bikes. Nah, I'm speaking in my mic. We're gonna get some gas. I need some gas too, so keep watching, stay tuned. You know, you gotta rev the engine up a little bit, let them know you out here. You know, let them know you out here. Hey, that bug sounded nice. Damn. Hey, that Harley sounded nice. That road glide was nice. You had it nice. Exhaust sounded good on it. I felt jealous. Like, I need to get my exhaust upgraded on my HD Street Glide. Shit. Damn, that motherfucker sounded good. Anyway, we out in the hood. What's good? And just riding, just chilling, you know what I mean, on the old sport bikes. Uh-oh, here comes another HD. Damn, maybe want to go home and get the Harley. But oh well. That's one thing, like, you know, we all are on bikes, you know what I mean. You got some Harley riders that don't, you know, throw out the peace sign to sport bike riders. I never understood that, you know what I mean. Like, we all started, you know, on a sport bike or a dirt bike, some type of bike. We never, you know, some people may have started on a Harley, but you gotta at least start somewhere, right? And it's usually a dirt bike or a sport bike you'll start on, and then you finally will eventually upgrade to a Harley if that's what the bike you want, or a cruiser. But for some reason, I don't know what it is. It's like some of the Harley riders, when they pass you up on a sport bike, they don't throw you that deuces. You know what I mean? They don't throw it to you, like. But some do. Now, I do it to anybody and everybody. You know, when I'm on the Harley, I throw it out to the sport bike riders. I throw it out to other Harley riders. I throw it out to dirt bike riders. Even people that's on like the Can-Ams or the Spiders, I throw it out to them, man. Because, you know, the Spiders may not be two wheels, but I still throw it out to them because it's still a motorcycle. That's just me, my personality. A humble guy, cool guy, corny sometimes, but hey, that's just who I am. That's KDP, you know what I mean? But yeah, just never understood that when you know, some of the Harley riders don't throw out the deuces out to sport bike riders, you know. But it's all good. I do it to everybody, you know. Everybody I see out here on a motorcycle, two wheels, or a Spider, Can-Am. Bam! I got you. I got you. Yeah. Oh man, feels good out here. We need to check the weather and see when this rain is going to come, because I don't know how long we can be out here. But we were riding downtown. They had a festival this weekend. I never made it to the festival this weekend. I wanted to go. I usually go to it every year, but I didn't get a chance to make it down there. But we're gonna head downtown. It's probably over by now because it's a Sunday right now. Usually the festival ends a little early on Sundays. But we'll go down here, see what's cracking, see what's popping. Y'all stay tuned. All right, we are downtown, and I can't tell if the festival's over yet or if they still doing things. Oh, it's still going on. Man, that dude was looking hard, wasn't he? Looking hard. Yeah, you on a motorcycle. Should have made it down here. I didn't get a chance to, but oh well. Yeah, they cleaning up everything. Yeah. But you can take a look at the downtown. It's cool. It's alright. Yep. Probably go down to another area here and probably take a break. Oh man. Hey, you cool with me? You cool with me interviewing you about biking? You cool with me interviewing you about biking?
Where, when we get to where we going?
Yeah.
With my hair looking like...
It's all good. You keep your helmet on.
I want to be cute.
I feel you. No interview. That's cool. Alright y'all, we just left grabbing a quick beer. We were riding down through a main area here in the city just to see what's going on. Not much really going on, but you know, it's nice out. People are out. People eating ice cream and shit. Feels good out here though. I still got all my gear on, but I don't care. It's always good when I'm on a sport bike. I wear my gear. Now on the Harley, that's a different story. Different story. Different story. Still out here riding with the homie on a Gixxer 600. It's a 99. I thought it was like a 98 or something, but it's a 99. It still look nice though. But we're gonna roll right up to a another biker spot. See if any of the bikers are on the sport bikes are out, and see what's going on there. So anyway, stay tuned. Damn, she going through yellow lights and shit. Okay. But yeah, I seen some other bikers out, mainly cruisers. Seen a few Hayabusa guys out. You know, it's funny about Hayabusa riders, man. It's like, because you on a Hayabusa, it's like, you know, I seen these guys roll by, I try to throw the deuces up to them, they just looked at me like I want nothing. Like, come on, dude. Like, because you on a Hayabusa, you think you on a certain status. You can't be cool and humble. Oh well. Oh well. Me, I'm the humblest dude on earth, man. I can be corny sometimes, but I'm cool. And I'll get out here and ride too. There's another biker out here. Rev them engines up, boy. Rev them engines up. It's nice. What is that? Is that a McLaren? What is that? Is she coming? All right. Well, we're just coasting slowly. Slowly. get ahead of this bus. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ah, man. Got the ambulance in front of us. I hope somebody is okay. People are out, you know, enjoying the weather. Man, where are the bikers at? Usually there'll be a whole bunch of bikes coming up and down the street. Only sport bikes though. But I don't see anybody out right now. Got the homie right here. She riding that Gixxer 600. Gixxer nice though. Look at that mud, man. Look at that. That Gixxer nice. Anyway, we're still doing our thing. Anyway, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. I don't even know if my GoPro's on, so I'm just talking because I can't see if my GoPro is on or not. Yeah. If I'm with a girl, I might go through it, but if you ain't gonna do it, I ain't gonna do it. So, we out here with a group of riders. We're about to kind of ride for a little bit. The storm is might be coming, but we're gonna see what happens.